Click and drag to select range B3 through E6. You want to create names for data ranges in this selection based on the text titles in the top row of the selection: Owner, Manager, Assistant Manager, and Shift Manager. Click the Formulas tab on the ribbon. In the Defined Names group, click the Create from Selection button. The Create Names from Selection dialog box opens. By default, the top row checkbox is selected, meaning that Excel will use the text titles in the top row of the selection as range names. You will accept this setting. Click OK. The dialog box closes, and Excel assigns the names to the appropriate data ranges in the selection. To confirm that the ranges have been named using the labels in the top row, you'll type a range name in the name box. To the left of the formula bar, click the name. Type Manager in the name box. Press Enter. Excel highlights the data range assigned the range name Manager.